Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Cloudflare domain. All right, so let's begin with the video. I'm going to run you through everything that you need to do step by step. So first, you want to go to cloudflare.com, and once you're here, you need to go ahead and create a free account. So go ahead and click Start for Free. You may already have a Cloudflare account. If you do, you can just log in. To create an account, enter in your email, your password, verify you're a human, and then click Sign Up. Once you've signed up, you will be taken to Cloudflare dashboard. You'll have to find this page. Now on the dashboard, go to Domain Registration, then go ahead and click on Register Domains. Please note though, you do have to verify your email. Now we're on the Search for a Domain Name part. Here's where you need to enter in the domain you want to buy. My advice here would be to find a domain name that's available that has the .com extension. I wouldn't go and buy any other extension than .com. It's favored by Google for one, and it's going to rank higher in Google. People recognize the .com domain name. So I'll try and buy here onlinevideotutorial.com, and we'll see if that is available. We can see here that this is available. We can purchase this for $10.44, and it renews at $10.44. Now, the good thing about Cloudflare is they don't upsell you. Their domain prices are what you pay with no hidden costs. So go ahead and click on Purchase. It will then add it to the cart. Now here, we're in Complete Your Registration, and from here, you can choose your payment option. You can buy it for up to 10 years, but I would just keep it on a 1-year renewal, he thought, and then it will automatically renew, which you can cancel if you don't need it. Now, you need to enter in some information. This is for legal records, but Cloudflare will actually keep all of your personal information safe. So when someone looks up your domain, they won't be able to see this information. It's just going to be your name, your email, and your address. Very standard stuff. Once you've entered in that information, go ahead and choose your payment method, whether that's card or PayPal. I'm going to use a card, and then we can add our card details here. Again, we need to make sure the billing address is correct, which will be the same as your address. If it's different though, you can just change it. Okay, so after adding my card and address, I'm going to then verify the address, and the payment should then go through. Once that has gone through, it will say all done, and we've now registered that domain. So that's basically how you can get Cloudflare domain. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.